Good day, Canadians. Well, as you can see, we got some snow. I'm gonna have to say we got close to 9 inches. Just gotta turn the lights on here. 9 inches of snow. Took a while to clean up. Caused a few problems with the ice, but nothing too serious. Cut out my pathways. Built what I'm calling a penalty box, but it's just a bench to sit down and tie your skates and what else not. Here's what the ice looks like. It took 2 days to get to this. And right there in that corner, I got some bumps, but nothing serious. But it's time to dangle. I can't wait no more. Time to get on and see how things go. It's important to remove the snow. Look at the fence from your ice, because you let it sit, it'll turn wet like it did there, and I had to scrape the crap out of that. Just a quick update. I'm sure my neighbors like the snow in their yard. Anyhow, check ya. Stick on the ice. Okay guys, bear with me here, I gotta get a glove on. But it's rink rake time, as you can tell. I just gotta turn her on. Sometimes it sticks to the ice, but whatever. Gets the job done. I suggest don't leave it on the ground like I did. Let me get positioned here. And this is it. This is all I do. It's been a long time since I used this, but it makes a nice finish. And that's all I do to resurface. I do it maybe twice a day, depending on weather, of course. The hose does get in the way a bit, but whatever. You gotta deal with what you got. Probably skated for 2 hours on here, as you can see with all the skate marks over there. We got quite a bit of snow there. I think I mentioned that before. And I'll wrap things up and I'll give you a final look, because I'm getting down to some difficult parts. Stay tuned. There we have it. Rink's all done. It's got a nice coat on it. It's already freezing, which I like to see. Good old rink rake helped me out. Give you a little look at what I use to do my surface. After a skate, you take out the broom. This right here. And broom the whole surface. It gets all the pieces, pushes in some snow into all the skate marks out there. And then you use the shovel, of course, to take the snow off. And once you get it clean like that, pop on some way to make your surface smooth, either rink rake or whatever device you got. And then you're good to go. Next update, probably a hockey game to keep your stick on the ice.